what's up? This is Elise here from Salon Moraee. We're here in Atlanta, Georgia. I am the founder of MC Professionals, and I want to share some questions and answers that I have for you guys. So let's get started. All right, I choose a flat iron because you can get the hair nice and bone straight, and you can braid a curl. It's called gliding when you do the curl effect. So straight flat iron. Well, oh, that's just. I'm not to say I'm a fan of curly hair because I have curly hair, but I do like curly hair. I'm a fan of curly hair. I love curly, wet and go. Oh, I'm into like short hair, so long hair. Not me. I like it for a look. I like the way it makes me feel. But short hair is for the way. Blonde or brunette? I feel like blondes have more fun. I'm going with blonde. It just all depends if what you're trying to go for. But I think I'm more of a body pin kind of girl. Hair pins is not me. 90s updo or 90s asymmetrical bob. Ooh, asymmetrical bob. I'm loving asymmetrical bob. I like that. Are you more long fabulous nails or short fabulous? Or short and sassy? You see these nails? You see how long these nails are? I love long nails. Shampoo. You gotta clean it first. That's the air. Turn off. I